Hello everyone. Welcome to Electro Center. We are here with tech comparison between Huawei P60 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. These are the features that we will compare between these smartphones. In talking about chipset and GPU, we can see that Samsung Galaxy have Gen 2 chipset along with Adreno 740, which is 25% faster than Adreno 730. So the point goes to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In talking about OS and CPU, the restriction of the Google Play services might be the drawback in Huawei P60, as well as the S23 have high-speed processor than Huawei P60 Pro. So the point goes to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In talking about selfie camera, as you can see with Huawei P60 have 13MP camera with focal length of 2.4 with ultra-wide feature. So the point goes to Huawei P60 Pro. In talking about main camera, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra have 200MP wide-angle camera with 10MP periscope camera, as well as it provides 8K video recording features. So the point goes to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy comes with a MOLED 6.8 inches display, with 500 pixels per inch density and 120 Hz refresh rate, which gives smooth and high pixel visual display than Huawei P60 Pro. So the point goes to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. We can consider the battery as there is not much difference, but the price have huge difference. Huawei P60 Pro is much cheaper than Samsung S23 Ultra. So the point goes to Huawei P60 Pro. So the winner is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with 4 points out of 6. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you again.